Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. So if you've been following my channel, you know that I've been working on this major art project, which is a tribute to the Canadian provinces and territories and the strong independent women that live there. But I have been taking a little bit of a break from that just because I found it's a little bit rushed and it's something I really want to take my time with. So I have been doing a few other little projects. So last Friday, I did a little graduation surprise for my two sons as they were graduating from grade 8 and high school. So if you missed that video, you can click on the link above and you'll see what little surprise I made. So I am still taking a bit of a break from my Canadian Women's Portrait series, but don't worry, I'll be back soon with it. So during my little break, I thought I would try to hone my own artistic skills. So the next few videos will be just little snippets of me trying to practice my colored pencil drawing, maybe my painting, and sharing that journey with you. So the last little bit, I have been doing some practice drawing cat's eyes with colored pencils. So I will share those with you. So let me know in the comment section below what you think and if you'd like to see more of these types of videos in the future. Now, let's get started. So I was following a Kirsty Partridge Art tutorial to draw this first set of cat eyes. She is awesome, so I will leave a link to her channel in the description box below. Then I decided to try one on my own, and I thought he turned out pretty cute. But now I wanted to draw my own kitty's eyes, and it was really hard to find a picture of her with her eyes open. So the reference photo that I have, the light quality is not the greatest, so I didn't get a lot of the reflection in the eye, but I still thought it turned out pretty cute. So let me know what you think in the description box below, and again, let me know if you'd like to see more of these kind of videos in the future. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.